Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, what we will see, we'll see one more method of insertion. Okay, concept of null values we will see tomorrow. But I just want to make sure that you are able to learn and insert uh, records in the table properly. Okay, so I'm just telling you
Yes.
the second way of insertion of the records. Okay, so medical shop is the our database. So just let me start from the beginning so that you have a clear picture how it is going to insert record in the second way. Okay, so what should I enter to main gate means database. What should I use? Just
Means what you are asking, sir? Use
yeah,
database.
use database means did not database, use database name. Okay, medical shop. Okay, so just using this command, I am entering the database. Now, when I run this query, I have entered the database. Okay, database. Now, once I enter the database, since I have already created the table and insert two records in it. The table name is customer. Okay, so just I am doing select star from customer. Select star from customer. Select star from medical shop dot customer. Or you 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 can ignore this database name, or you can apply the database name. I just prefer to apply the database name as well. Okay,
Yes,
you can simply do select star from customer, but I prefer database name dot customer name because this is useful in the join condition when you learn join. Okay, so this is very much useful. Just apply there, here, run, and you can see two records are there, but these two records were inserted like this. Okay, okay, you don't had um, any means to enter uh, the column you want to enter. Okay, so suppose I am entering in the same table uh, for some of the records, for some of the columns. Okay, I am entering records in the same table, customer. Okay, customer table for some of the columns, not all the columns. Okay, so what will how can or I can record, I do want to enter in all columns. So how can I do that? I can do that uh, with the help of this command. Let me show that to you. Okay, so just apply insert into customer. Just apply the database name before. I'm just leaving it as of now. Customer. Now just apply the column name. Okay, first is cust id. Second is cust name. Third is cust mobile number.
we don't need to specify int worker and all, sir.
Yeah, no need to specify int varchar. Okay, and cust medicine. Okay, okay, the and now apply values. It is same as you have done previously. Okay, and just enter your values. Okay, just suppose I am copying this one. I am copying this one, and okay, okay, and
Yes,
now
sir.
what is the benefit of this? Okay, what is the benefit of this command? The benefit of this command, you can enter multiple records at a time. Why I'm telling you this command? because the benefit of this command is to enter multiple records at a time. Okay, how can you do that? Firstly, let's enter one record. Alice, Bob, Charles. Okay, 1235, and Chennai and set region. Okay, just first enter this record. Just enter this record. Okay, and record has been inserted. And when you select a star from this thing, you will see the Charles record. Okay, Charles record. Did you Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what is the benefit of this? Why I'm telling you this? Because in the previous example, you can see at one time only one record can be inserted. So it is difficult to manage it. Okay. In the second way, this was the first way. Okay. What you were doing till now. Now, in the second way, you can do it on the go like this, comma, and this is one set of record. Just do it for second set of record. Just do it for third set of record by applying comma. Suppose 4 record I want to insert. Now just remember, you have done 26 record. You have entered 26 record, right? Till 103 I have entered. Now I will do it for okay, 125, 135 and 235. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Chennai. This is Hyderabad, and this is Delhi, and this is something Kolkata. Okay, and this is Vicks inhaler, and this is something Cefexime, and this is something. Uh, this is something like azithromycin. Okay, azithromycin 500. Okay, so these 4 records I will enter it one. What did I do? Let me explain it once more. I have done it. I have applied this one. To be more clear, I have applied the column names in after the table name. Okay, the table name is nothing but medical shop dot customer. Let me write it in a more clear way. So database insert into database name dot customer name, and then I applied the columns without their data type. Okay, did you get my point? Did you get here till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now after that, values is a mandatory keyword. Just apply that. And to be code neat and clean, I have applied all the records here. Now just run it, and you will see the magic. Till 103 you have inserted. Now just apply 100, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just apply, and now you will see the magic. 4 rows affected. Okay, now just run it,
Yes, sir.
and you will see that it is already there. All records are, and it's magic. Boom. Can you see that? And now imagine,
Yes, sir.
for every line you are just entering insert into insert into insert into insert into, just typing. No, no need to that in this way. That is also important. This is also important. Both ways are important. Okay. So just I
Yes, sir.
have covered you this way because my next topic of null values derives from this. So I will explain you this topic null value tomorrow, and I will tell you how to enter through this method and first method as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your task, what is your task? Your task is to insert few more records. Just enter um, just enter customer, 10 more records in customer, any 10 more records, so from starting from A to H I J, J I to J. Okay, 10 records.
Okay.
Okay, just 10
Yes, sir.
records to customer, two more records to medicine, sorry, three more records to medicine, and two more records to employees. Okay,
Yes, sir.
class 5 task is that only.
More
Okay.
employee. Okay, sir.
Okay, just class 20, rather than in alphabetical name, 10 records. What is 10? E F, E is 5, F G H I J, J is 10, I think. Okay, so J till, enter till J. Okay, I am not wrong. If I am not wrong, J is 10. Okay, and enter three medicines.
J
uh,
will be 10, sir.
Enter three new medicines. One is azithromycin 500 mg. Okay,
Okay.
azithromycin 500 mg, and cefixime. Okay, cefixime, both are antibiotics. And in case of Vicks inhaler, just more one more, just enter all in.
Dolo 650.
Yeah, Dolo 650. Great, Dolo 650. Okay, 650.
Yes.
Okay, so paracetamol 500 you have already entered. So next
Yes.
paracetamol is 650. Okay, you can enter. Okay, Dolo 650. So you can just, and two more employees now. This is Dinesh and Rakesh. Just enter these two. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
manufacturing is 2023 01 005. Okay, 2023-05. And what is 18? What is 18 here? What is
Sir,
18? 18 here? Cost.
value, cost.
Cost, you just your way, whatever you want to insert.
Okay.
And expiry is 2026-03. Okay, just enter. Okay, so this is our class, and let me stop the video. The viewers who are watching this video, kindly like, subscribe, and press the bell icon, and just do comment if you like. Thank you.